Guys, what's up? So we're at the hotel right now, the S Hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica, room 349, and here's my room tour. Let's go. First thing you see when you come in here, come on in. You have the bathroom. Really cute. Smells good in here too. And this is a walk-in tub. I mean, not a tub, but this is a walk-in bathroom. Okay, so with 2 shower heads. Ooh. Then you have this big old mirror here. It's perfect. Two sinks, his and hers. And I think what I'm most excited about, guys, is this tub right here. This jacuzzi situation. Ah! You have these curtains as well that you can close in, get some privacy. We have the room where the magic happens, or not. It feels very eerie and light and beautiful in here. So here is our bed where the magic happens, right? Or not so much magic. But from the bed you can see the tub. The air conditioning is so good. And then you have this TV. This TV is like 55 inches. And you have seating areas and this Bob Marley situation here. And kind of excited, but not so certain. It's in the bag. Not sure, maybe the big one. But we have a balcony here. And it's, I guess, ocean view. Kind of cool view. So it probably is good to come out here and have some breakfast and stuff. So yeah, that is the S Hotel, Montego Bay, Jamaica. I'm gonna give you guys, the air conditioning is everything. You know, I love that. TV, smells good in here. On the clock, smells good in here. You know, it looks good. So I'm excited for that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my birthday. I'll see ya later. Peace.